Hello, welcome back to my channel, Micki's Arts and Crafts. I'm back with a journal I made before my hiatus. You can remember this is the Dollar Tree fabric that they had that was popular a couple of summers back. But anyway, this is the fabric I used. This is some beautiful paper. It doesn't even look like paper. It's almost fabric-like for the spine, and then I wrapped around the fabric there and put trim, some got what you cut. These were I forgot what these were, but I didn't put the one that was down here fell off. This was just a charm. This is a brad. That's what that is. Okay, and I just feel this is a perfect time to work on this and use it as a glue book, or in a journal, a glue book journal. Here's a pocket. This is trim I had forever. And we had to see that was part. I think this is off of a bag. You know how you reuse things. This was off of a bag, I think. And I painted paper, book paper. This is painted paper that I sprayed and used coffee staining. So I think this is a perfect time to jump on in. I think this, to working on this. I just want to show. And this was trim I got a long time ago at Michael's. I had so much of this left. They had the pom-pom and all this. So that's a good place for that. So I just wanted to show you. And then this is a no-sew. So I could, what is this? Yep, no-sew. So I could pull this out, glue on it, paint on it, whatever I want to do, and then put it back. I really like how these painted papers turned out. Alright. It's real simple. It's undecorated. And then I'll show you how, of course, the phone has ran. I'll show you later how, pocket in the back for the stuff. I'll show you in the next clip how I put it together. Alright. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on my summer journal. I'm so excited to be finally working on this. And we're going to use a book. Ooh, messed up book. That I've had for a while. I either got it from the Dollar Tree. I think I got it from the Dollar Tree a while ago. And so I'm going to take a craft knife. Do I have that one? Yeah, a craft knife. And I've already started going along the edges, pulling it away, pulling the book pages away from the, and this one's working out really nicely. This is, look how that just popped right out. I like that. You like it when it comes out that easily. You don't like it when you're reading the book and your pages come out, but when you try to make a book cover, this is coming out really nice. You do like it. And we're going to put the fabric from the Dollar Tree from that collection. What's the collection called? I forgot. But we'll put that in there. We're going to cover it with that. And this time, I'm not going to sew my signatures in. I'm going to bind it. I'm going to bind it with some macrame cord, white twine. I don't know where I got that from. So that could have came out of a basket. A warehouse, craft warehouse sale. Because I don't remember where I got that from. That just came right out. That's how I like it. And of course, we keep the pages. And I have started spraying them, so I could use them in here. But today we're just going to, why do I have to show you that I started spraying it? That's not important. All right. So, okay. So, here we go. Here we go. This little piece is 18 by 21 inches, so that'll be good enough to use. Okay. Usually I cover the front and with I cover the back with a different oh, I already have our little lines already in it for us, so we could just line it up. I usually cover the back with something different, but this time I'm not going to do it. I think I'm going to cover the whole thing with this fabric. Also, go ahead, line this up. We don't need that much. Right here, I may have to I'm gonna cut some off of here. Okay, because we just want an inch apart, a little inch on the bottom, so I'm gonna eyeball it. I got the wrong scissors. Hello everyone, let's glue book. And the journal I just showed you, the summer journal, but it's I don't know what I'm gonna call it. But I've started glue booking. I cannot do a step by step or even a little bit closer. I'm just gonna have to do it incrementally because the piece to my tripod is missing and I cannot film. I have to hold it and I can't do it with two hands. So I'm just going to do this incrementally. I started on this page, as you can see, and I'm going to keep going. Alrighty, see you in the next clip. Hello, I'm about to cut up this baby wipe. Is dried out. Baby wipe. I'm about to cut up this baby wipe package. So that's why I say use what you have. You bought it, might as well use it or reuse it. So here we go with that. So far, this is what I have, and I'm about to cut it up and add it to the my page. This is what I have so far, and you can see I pulled the page out of the book because it's a note sew, and I'm going to put it back in and then I'll be right back.